Here I've got a little test spot, so I've sprayed some of this adhesive gunk remover gel from Goof off. I let it sit here for about 10 minutes, and now I'm going to see if it's actually going to get up that adhesive. So just taking an absorbent cloth here and kind of just rubbing in a circular motion here, and it is doing the trick. So that is good. So there was a little spot there. I just wanted to test it there to see if it would actually work to get that off, and it is. All right, and that was actually pretty easy. One spot down. Now I've actually just got all of this left to do here. So we had these little tile covers on the floor here, and we took them off, and it had all of this sticky glue here on the back, and I can't get it off. Like, you see my glove there sticks to it. So I'm basically just going to come back here now. I'm going to spray down the floor, come back, wipe it off, and see how it does. I'm going to spray down this whole area, and we're going to wait a few minutes and then come back and see if we can get it off here. So I'm just going to kind of do a wide spray pattern here. There we go. So I got a nice thin coat on all of the sticky tape residue here on the floor. I will say that it's got a pretty big smell to it, so I would say use it in a well ventilated area. But now I'm just gonna let this sit here for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna come back here with just a terry cloth, an absorbent white, cotton cloth, and wipe it and see how this all comes off. It's been closer to 20 minutes. This Goof off here has been sitting on the floor here doing its thing. Let's see if it's gonna work here. We'll try it on this spot here. And it is doing its thing. So that is coming off, and I'm just gonna continue here and see how much it gets off, and then there's probably gonna be some spots that will need something a little bit more persuasive. But yeah, some of that bigger stuff actually comes off pretty good. Those big chunks there. This is gonna be a big test here, so that's a big chunk. Let's see how this does. Yeah, that one's a little bit harder. It doesn't soak down into it as good, but it's actually coming off easier than it was before, so that's good that it is actually working there. So it's working, and let's just go ahead and spend some time here scrubbing and see how it all comes off. Now I'm just using a cloth here to scrub everything, but another tool that I have here is this. This is a plastic razor blade. So this tool actually is going to help a lot. Let's see how good it does with some of the big areas. Yeah. So that does a really good job getting some of the big chunks, and it's getting it up a lot easier than the towel and a lot faster than the towel, and it's plastic, so I'm not worried about damaging the tile here with the plastic. Well, and there you can see I got all of it off there. There's a few little pieces here and there that I just have to pick up, but as far as kind of the sticky residue, it's off. I need to take a wet towel, maybe some cleaning solution, and wipe everything down to obviously clean off any of the leftover Goof off. It's really kind of gel and sticky, or not sticky, slippery, excuse me, so you don't want to be walking on it. I got the fan on here, so it's getting out some of the air, so sorry if it's a little bit loud right now. There you go, it's actually working really well. So again, this is Goof off adhesive gunk gel remover. Again, it is pretty stinky. It's got alcohol in it, so there's a really strong scent to it. So do, again, use it in a well-ventilated area. If you can hear now, I've got the fan on here in the bathroom. I'm gonna take a little break. I've been working for about 10 minutes, go get some fresh air. It comes off really easy though, and I mean relatively easy, right? There's gonna be some work to it, and this scraper here is doing a great job. So this I just got online. I'll link to it in the description. It's just a little plastic razor, and it comes with a bunch of different blades, and it's come in handy for lots of different projects. So this thing is actually really cool to have around. So I'll link to that if you want to check it out. If you want to see some other DIY projects videos, feel free to just kind of peruse around the channel, check out some other stuff, like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.